Maiwand Noor. I'm almost 2 decades in the SAP area, and I'm the managing director of Noor Vision. We have basically two different departments. One is the strategic department, and the other one is the implementation. Strategic is more supporting customer in questions like how can we increase our availability to promise, and the implementation is like the S/4HANA implementation, for example, for specific companies. We would like to present our performance cockpit, and the way how it is set up here is quite good, because we have the chance not only to present something, but also answering the questions of the audience. So this is how we can make sure that we understand the needs of the customers, and plus we have the chance after the meeting to sit together with them and maybe move on with their questions, because not always we have enough time. So that's why that's a good way how to do things and present our performance cockpit. Well, there's a big opportunity. So a lot of companies, they have, especially when they have SAP, they have to change from the ECC area into the S/4HANA area. And there is a huge digitalization, how they can set up their new processes. This is a good opportunity, because a lot of companies, they already set up their processes and everything, and now they have the chance to rethink, maybe redesign, and not doing things like they're doing in the last 20 years, but looking into the future and see what the future can bring, which values, especially when you thinking about delivering to the customer on time. This is a huge topic, which they can do very, very good in the automation area. And that's why also we have our performance cockpit, in order to show them how this can be done. We're quite a young company, and of course we have a huge network, even when we are only, let's say, 5 years old. Since 3 years we have a very strong strategy. But with our new strategy, we said, okay, we would like to expand our network, and this at AUTOMA Plus, it's a good opportunity to expand our network, and especially in the pharma area. COVID showed us that in the pharma and trade area, there are huge opportunities, and that's something where we would like to go with our strategy. And here is a good chance. So that's why we are here. Plus, this year we have our product strategy with the performance cockpit, and we said we would like to present it to the pharma industry, what we are able to do, and what we are implementing, and what we are doing with other customers. So can be a win-win for all of us. So that's why we are here, to show it.